Hey there! Hey my name is Jens. So my name is Jens. My name is Jens, and I'm one of Yotam Ottolenghi's pastry chefs. Yotam and Helen just brought a new cookbook out. It's called Sweet. So often I get asked, Jens, what's your favorite recipe from the new cookbook from Helen and Yotam? And one of my favorite recipes must be the Rolled Pavlova with peaches and blackberries. Now unfortunately we are out of season for peaches, so what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do plums and blackberries and a few almonds as well. So have a look please. First of all, I'm gonna whip up my egg white for about 1 or 2 minutes, and then gradually I add the sugar tablespoon by tablespoon.
A few moments later.
As this becomes thicker and thicker, becomes better and better. A little bit more, and then it's ready.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, this has now mixed for about 5 to 7 minutes, and now we're gonna add the vanilla, corn flour and white wine vinegar. We're gonna add that at low speed and then increase it to like medium speed for another minute or 2. So, this is now all combined, and now it's ready to spread on our tray. Right, this is my pavlova. I'm gonna put this now into the oven, 200 degrees, 35 minutes. Wow, this looks really good. It's a little bit darker than in the book, but that shouldn't be a problem. The only problem what I have now, I spread it a little bit too far to the outside, and the whole thing is stuck in the oven. Got to clean the oven now. Oh well, it happens. And now it's time to roll it. Alright, next up, cream, fruit and almonds. Alright guys, I'm finally done. This is my rolled pavlova with plums and blackberries out of the new Sweet book from Yotam Ottolenghi and Helen. I link it below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.